Next is the numbering. Okay. So numbering, if I number from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so double bonds are getting the first position and the 6th position. There is no other way to number to include all the double bonds. So numbering is done in such a way, take the longest chain that include most of the double bonds. So it's not possible to include all the 3 double bonds. Okay, so I cannot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. So here we are getting only 6 carbons. So the one that we numbered first, we are getting 7 carbons and 2 double bonds included. Okay, so if we number from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also, by this way also, you're getting the double bonds at the first and the 6th position. So it is symmetric. And in both cases, you're getting the substituent at the 4th position. Now this has become your substituent now. Okay, you cannot include this double bond also in the numbering. Okay, so this group, what is this group called? Now, suppose if I have methane and you remove 1 hydrogen, it is called methyl, right? You have ethane and you remove 1 hydrogen, C2H5, you call it ethyl, right? Now this is not ethane. This is not ethane group, right? Here there are 2 carbon atoms with double bonds, right? This is the connection. This is the connection. Now, this is ethene, from which 1 hydrogen has been removed, right? So 1 hydrogen has been removed. So ethenyl group. So this is the ethene group from which 1 hydrogen has been removed. So this is ethenyl. And because E and Y are near to each other, we will remove this E and we get ethenyl. Ethenyl. Okay, so this is the ethene group, yes. But from here, 1 hydrogen has been removed. So we write it ethenyl. Okay, so that is the substituent. I hope you understood why we wrote ethenyl. So this substituent is ethene group from which 1 hydrogen has been removed. Usually ethene is CH2 double bond CH2 and 1 hydrogen has been removed. So we get this group, and this is ethene group with 1 hydrogen getting removed, like methyl, ethyl, same way, ethenyl group. Okay, so what is the name? We name it as what? 4. At the 4th position, we have the substituent. What is the name of the substituent? 4-ethenyl. How many carbon atoms are there? Root word, hept. There are double bonds at the 1st and the 6th position. 1,6-diene. 1,6-diene. I hope you understood this, right?